Africa's patas monkeys have adapted to spending their days foraging in the open woodlands and the savanna. But unlike other species that rely on trees to remain hidden and safe, they have evolved a different getaway plan, using speed to outrun their predators. Clocking in at a speed of up to 35 miles per hour, the patas monkey is the fastest primate in the world. Its rapid speed ensures that the patas monkey is always one step ahead of any approaching danger. An example of a species that really does use speed to survive.